There are nights longer than 1,000 years. There are moments when the universe holds its breath, because one human refuses to run, refuses to bow, refuses to fear. Under the ancient Bodhi Tree, beneath the silent stars of Bodh Gaya, a lone man sits, thin, calm, unshaken. No army guards him. No crown rests on his head. Yet tonight, all the forces of darkness will rise against him. Because that man is Siddhartha Gautama. He was once a prince born to silk pillows, golden palaces, and music at dawn. Yet he walked away. He left behind his throne, his wife, his newborn son, not out of coldness, but out of compassion for a world drowning in suffering. Now, at the age of 29, after 6 years of hardship, thirst, hunger, and silence, he sits beneath the Bodhi Tree, upon a humble mat of kusar grass offered by a poor farmer. The sun has set. The twilight air glows silver against his warm golden-brown skin. His once youthful face is now sharper, marked by discipline and hunger. A simple maroon robe covers his left shoulder, leaving the right bare. His long black hair is tied in a loose topknot, a few strands falling across his brow. No jewel, no royal emblem, only the faint red tilak on his forehead, like the last whisper of his former life. His legs are crossed in lotus posture. His spine is straight like a mountain. Breath slow, steady, almost invisible. The world begins to fall silent around him, birds go quiet, crickets pause, even the river nearby seems to soften its flow. The moon rises, casting silver light over the body leaves above, making them glimmer like small mirrors of the heavens. Inside his heart, one vow forms, not spoken aloud, but heard by the universe itself. Though my flesh may dry and my bones turn to dust, I will not move from this seat until I find the truth. And then, he places his right hand upon the earth. The ground trembles ever so slightly. Breeze stops. Flames in distant shrines steady. It is as if the earth itself listens. But shadows have ears. And darkness does not surrender its throne easily. Far beyond the horizon, deep within the realm of illusions, Mara, the tempter, lord of desire and fear, awakens. He is not a demon of the outside world, but the darkness within every human mind, the whisper of greed, the hunger for power, the terror of death. He senses a threat greater than any war, a human on the verge of breaking free from suffering, from his realm. And for the first time in ages, Mara feels fear. Black clouds begin to gather, not like a natural storm, but as if night itself is bleeding into the sky. The wind turns cold and sharp. Leaves of the Bodhi Tree tremble without reason. Lanterns in the villages flicker. Fireflies vanish. Silence thickens. Yet Siddhartha does not move. His face is still, his eyes half closed. His mind is deeper than the darkness outside. Scene of desire, Mara's first attack. From the mist, they appear, visions of beauty. Celestial maidens woven from moonlight itself. Their voices like bamboo flutes, their movements soft like flowing water. They circle around Siddhartha, dancing, smiling, reaching out their delicate hands. Their anklets ring like silver rain. Their silk veils shimmer like clouds. They whisper, "Come back to life. Come back to love, to pleasure, to joy." But Siddhartha's eyes remain still. No desire touches him. He sees them not as women, but as passing clouds, beautiful, yet empty. One maiden reaches to touch his hand, but her fingers dissolve into mist before reaching him. Scene of fear, Mara's second attack. Desire has failed. So Mara summons terror. The wind roars. Darkness thickens. The sweet maidens vanish, replaced by monsters born from nightmares. Serpents with blazing eyes coil from the shadows. Demons with torn wings and dripping fangs crawl from the earth. Giant beasts roar, shaking the trees. Their claws scrape the ground, leaving black fire. Still, Siddhartha does not move. Scene of war, Mara's third attack. The sky turns crimson black. Drums echo like thunder from another world. An army rises behind Mara, thousands of shadow soldiers holding spears and bows. Their feet shake the earth. Their eyes burn with hatred. Mara lifts his hand, orders the attack. A storm of arrows is released, dark, fast, deadly. They fly toward Siddhartha like a rain of death. But just as they reach him, they transform. Arrows turn into petals. Spears become lotus flowers. Violence dissolves into beauty. They fall softly at his feet. Scene of power, the final temptation. Mara himself steps forward, cloaked in darkness, crowned like a king of fears. He rides a black elephant, tall as a mountain. He stretches out his hand. Siddhartha, rule the world. Take wealth, power, immortality. You can be king of kings. Just give up this quest. Siddhartha opens his eyes slowly. His gaze is calm, not proud, not angry, just deeply knowing. He says nothing. He returns his hands to meditation. For the truth cannot be bought. Mara's challenge, earth bear witness. In fury, Mara screams. Who will witness your right to enlightenment? In silence, Siddhartha lowers his right hand to touch the earth. Bhumispasha mudra, earth witness gesture. The ground answers, soft thunder rises from the soil, not of violence, but of truth. And the earth herself whispers, I bear witness. Mara is defeated. The demons dissolve like shadows at sunrise. The clouds scatter. The wind softens. Night becomes clear again. Siddhartha breathes slowly. Fireflies return. The river flows again. He closes his eyes and enters the deepest meditation ever known. He sees his past lives, countless births, deaths, joys, sorrows. He sees all beings born, suffer, die, born again. Not despair, but compassion fills his heart. A single tear forms, not from pain, but from love too vast to speak. And then, the morning star rises. The first light of dawn touches his face. A soft golden glow. His eyes open. Completely, truly, fully awakened. In that fragile, eternal moment, Siddhartha Gautama is no more. He is Buddha, the awakened one. No gods descended. No miracle of thunder. Only a man who conquered himself.